Do you have a vision? Because we do.
And today we're going to talk about our visions and what we're going to do to turn them into reality.
So you might have heard of the law of attraction. There's been many books written about it, like The Secret and The Alchemist.
It's a universal law that states that if you really want something and you focus on it every day, and you also truly believe that you already have it, it has no other choice but to manifest into existence. It will come true.
So that's why we're making a vision board, to put up our goals in front of us so we can focus on them every day and make sure that they come true. So whatever you focus on grows. Let's start off with our first goal.
So in about 2 years, we want to pack our lives into 4 suitcases and go travel the world. And of course we're gonna bring our pigs. We will start off by going across North America and South America.
And the way we plan to make this work is through YouTube. There are plenty of full-time travelers out there surviving off YouTube money, so why not us? We're gonna work hard to create exciting content and earn enough subscribers to make it happen.
And to help us with our trip, we will need some sort of vehicle. Maybe a van, maybe a trailer, definitely something we can cook in and sleep in.
Waking up early has always helped us get more work done during the day and have more fun in the sun. Our goal is to continue waking up at 5 a.m. every day to max out our days.
Our diet has changed a lot in the past few years, but we're back to being plant-based, and our goal is to stay this way because we're 100% sure this is what's best for us and it just feels right.
Along with eating healthy, we're going to continue exercising to keep our bodies healthy, because health is wealth.
And most importantly, we always want to stay close to our families. They helped us so much, and we want them to know that we love them no matter what. And even if we're halfway across the world, we will always stay in touch.
So where should we put this vision board?
Well, somewhere we can always see it.
Hey, how about here?
No way!
Is this good?
No? Are you kidding me?
What? It's a television board.
I have a better idea. Here! It's just missing something.
Perfect!
Wow, it feels good to talk about our goals. Thank you for watching the video.
And tell us about your visions in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot of adventures coming up.
I'm Justin,
And I'm Liv.
and it's time for you to just live your adventure. Peace!